Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to talking about these stadium seating rows, and we are going to the multiple seats multiple chair place in these seating rows, and to use with dynamo visual programming, and also play with dynamo player. As you see, if we select some space top surface of this seating and run it, multiple chair place automatically in this surface area. I just select another surface and run it. Select another surface and run it. So multiple chair place automatically place in this sitting area. So let's start how to create this script and place this chair in sitting rows. Okay, so first of all, I just delete this Control Z, this chair, this document, and close this dynamo player and open in script. Okay, first open this script, select a face, select face, now surface perimeter curve, to achieve outline of this surface area. Okay, surface this object. Find out we need to get a line to create a surface perimeter curve. Connect to this surface, then we can get this line. And now isolate these two line nerves curves and from this line. So first flatten this list, flatten this list, flatten this list and connect to this curve. We can get this list in we can get this all lines from the one list and isolate the list from this nerves curves. So string from object, connect to this list in this object input, so we can get this string information. Now isolate this string, so string contain this string contain. So why is this so rude? String contains, connect to this string contain, and then write say I need to write this in nerves. Somehow this PC is too much slow. Nerves should be the right way, and connect to true boolean. Okay, then bool filter by boolean mask, connect to this line and this boolean mask. So after that we need to separate these two lines. we need to separate these two lines. So x, create code block x 0 1 and x 1, connect to this line, and we can get two lists. Okay, so after get these lines, now get the curve length. Actually, there is another node should be there is another node to set to find out the length, because this line direction, this two line direction is two way. This line is with this direction and this line is this one direction. We need to get the direction in both way, two lines. These two lines should be the direction in both way. So reverse this line, then list. So connect to this one and this one, so we can get the two lines. And now get the curve length and get minimum item curve double length, and divide a number and with the help of width. So this is the width, and should be divide x divided by y is the variable, and the width connect to this one. We can get the number of this length. This is the chain number which is placed in this surface. So curve okay, so now get the node points at equal chord lengths, points at equal chord chord length. So equal chord length is the, say, oh come on, say is the division, and curve is this one. So all points set in both line. Now after set this point in this curve, now get transpose this line, and now create a line with polycurve dot by points, and connect to this one. The line is created, and now parameter point at parameter point at parameter so where is the point at parameter? This one is the pointed parameter, and 0.5 point should be the mid position of that lines. Now get item at index of this transpose list, and then 0, and should be the level 2, and get the vector by 2 point, dot by 2 points, So this is the end point and the start point is this one. So angle, get the angle with vector. So this one is the vector and other vector is x. So we can get the angle to place up this chair. So now family types, and the point should be family instance, by point, and to set the rotation needs the another node is the set rotation of this family instance. So now collect the family. This is the family, and connect to this family type, and the point is I need to manual set for now, and this one is the point, and the angle is this one, and the family instance this one. Okay. So the scripts is already ready, done for now. So if we run this script, there is the issue. The direction of the chair is wrong direction. We need to set another node. So add 90 degree of this angle, x plus 90, and connect to this degree. So now run it. As you see, all chairs set in this center of this field direction. Okay, so I need to set a multiple chair in this multiple surface to use this with this dynamo player. So I need to close this dynamo interface for now. Okay, so open a dynamo player. Okay, just okay. So is as you see, multiple set this surface, select this surface, and multiple chair place in the same time. So how can this way we can use this set a multiple chair with the help of this dynamo. It works so quickly in that way. Okay, so that's it for today. We will see in next video tutorial. Okay, thank you. Assalamu alaikum.